Alright guys, so it's the following day from me doing the unboxing video that you guys saw last night. As you guys saw yesterday, we had, and I mean by we, I had me, Moses, and myself. We had those boxes right there, including this one, with all our parts. Now, I went ahead and installed some of them already, and I'll show you in a bit, but we have the cooling shroud that Rafael is going to go ahead and do a ceramic coating on this. And then we have all the canards for the G80 and the M4, so, and the F82 M4. So Rafael is going to be kind enough to get all these components, including the emblem, PPF'd, and then we're going to do ceramic coating. This shroud is just going to go ahead and get coating, and I'll show you guys right now. I went ahead and installed the lip already. Guys, I love this the mperformance lip. Now, I'll be honest, I feel like if I installed this one a lot faster than the first time when I first installed it, but again, I love the way this looks. Now, he's going to go ahead and do PPF on it, and then I'm going to put SLIPLO on there. So, guys, this process is underway with just a week away from Beamer Invasion. We're definitely, I'm kind of pushing Rafael. So, thank you, Rafael, for being here and just helping me get this whole process done. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the passenger, the rear driver's side door. Again, but Rafael redid the PPF, so I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the door handle, and then after that, just getting some of these components on. So we're moving along. I left the house just to come out here to help out Nick to reinstall his ECU. He just sent it out to get it unlocked. They're still working on the PPF right now on the G80. And I'm definitely actually the PPFing the canards right now, or Rafael is PPFing the canards, and then after that he's gonna go ahead and ceramic coat the whole entire car. So that's gonna take him a minute. So I figured I'd sneak over to Nick's and help him reinstall the ECU, which he just recently had unlocked. So I'm not really gonna get into a DIY, but yeah, just wanted to go ahead and share just a little bit of what's going on today.
Fucking stupid in the parking garage, huh?
Alright guys, that was Nick raw in the cut.
Mad at everything?
Yeah. He's always happy, you guys. He's not mad. He's just talking a little smack because that vent is really loud. But the whole the DME's already plugged in. He's gonna go ahead and give me a ride to the truck, and I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house as I have Rafael over there doing the rest of the process. So I'll pick it up in a little bit, you guys. But
getting our cars ready for Beamer Invasion.
I know, right?
It's stressful.
It is, bro. I'm stressed. I've been stressed out this whole week.
Damn, I miss this car, bro.
Me too.
I've been driving the CS.
I haven't driven my car in over a month. So
yeah, you must miss it too. I know.
I know the feeling. And his is a 6-speed manual, you guys.
Yeah, that shit feels sick, bro.
Which makes me miss the M4, and I haven't actually driven it since the NorCal trip. So that one's been a month.
Remember we were saying it's kind of crazy that Daniel has the automatic G80, I have the manual G80, but then he has the manual F80 and I have the auto F80 now. We're like the same but swapped, bro. It's crazy.
Alright guys, that's me right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. This is my stop. I'll see you later, Nick. Later, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Alright, so far right now, the car's already been completed. As you guys can see, everything's already been reassembled. We got the door handles, we got the trims on the fenders, we got the lip installed, and all these other components were already PPF'd. So now just gonna go ahead and wait for Rafael to do the final ceramic coating one more time on the car, and then we'll let it cure, and then we got plenty more stuff to come, but at least all this is already done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break and then get back to him in a bit. Okay, so I had to go ahead and get the car up in the air just once again, just to get the SLIPLO on the vehicle. It's already on the car. Alright guys, so it's Monday, basically Memorial Day weekend, and we have Mr. Details, Rafael over here. He's actually taking care of the M4 today. He's gonna go ahead and do the ceramic coating. He just went ahead and did he basically clay barred the whole car. Now that's just gonna be in preparation to ceramic coating. Everything is already set for ceramic coating. Now, one of the things that I did mention I was going to be swapping out was going to be this item right here. Now this radiator support, as you guys can see, it looks really old, really faded out. I don't know what happened to it, but we're going to go ahead and make it better. Not only are we adding carbon fiber canards on the bumper, but we're also going to go ahead and add a carbon fiber radiator support. Now this is going to be from the guys at and I'm not sure if I'm going to say this right. They're actually from a company out in Germany. We'll go ahead, I'm going to put a link on the description of the company. So we'll go ahead and yeah, just do the unboxing right now. If you guys are in the market for carbon fiber components, I suggest you guys go ahead and check them out. Really quick, what this part looks like right now. Wow. Check this out, you guys. Doesn't that look amazing? The gloss tells you the torque spec. Guys, this thing is incredible. It looks so beautiful. Oh man, this thing is really gonna complement the rest of the engine bay. So let me go ahead and just give Rafael a minute to finish getting the car ready. And then again, we gotta install this part. And then we're also gonna install the canards. So stay tuned, you guys. Today is gonna be a very busy day. We got the dash cam, we got the radiator support, we got the grills to put on the G80. So man, whew, Beamer Invasion is just 5 days away, so crunch time is now. Now I went ahead and made some markings on the windshield. Like I had mentioned before, I'm also going to be switching out the cowl. The cowl is not here right now. It's still waiting to be delivered. So hopefully it'll be here the next day or two. Then I'll go ahead and just put those on. In the meanwhile, I have Moses right here. He's going to go ahead and help me out with a quick process. Now I don't know how quick this is going to be, since we're going to be actually drilling into the bumper. Alright guys, ooh, no turning back. Guys, so we are gonna go ahead and start drilling. Now I wanted to go ahead and remove the fender liner to make sure that I wasn't gonna drill onto any wires, but yeah, this is no turning back. There it is, you guys. Muchas gracias. Alright guys, so as you guys just saw right now, I just went and installed the first one. I couldn't help myself, and this thing's already giving me the giggles, you guys. install on the canards.
Stop recording or?
Maybe, yeah. Alright, so now that the canard's already on, and as you guys can see, I feel like honestly this looks amazing. Everything just has a nice, beautiful shine to it. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the radiator support now. With that said, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the downstar hardware, remove the brace. Pretty simple. And then we even have Dark Knight over here. What's up, buddy? What do you think of the new mod? Yeah. What do you think? You gonna go check the other side? What do you think? Yep. Rafael did ceramic coating on it too, so everything's good to go. What do you think? Hey. Hey. You can't taste it, fool. What are you doing? Damn. That thing weighs about 20 pounds, you guys. Not really. It probably weighs about 10 and 15 pounds, somewhere in between there. But guys, that thing makes a big difference when you go from 10 pounds to half a pound. That is a big dramatic change as far as weight goes. I mean, it might not seem like a lot, but to be able to go from something that weighs almost nothing, this thing weighs about half a pound. And then we go down to this thing, and then this thing, oh yeah, that's a good 15 pounds at least. But now we're gonna go ahead and give this whole part of the engine bay a nice little wipe down. And even though no one's gonna see this, before we put that beautiful part back on, let's go ahead and clean this up really good. Alright guys, so right now I'm just doing a hand tight on all these right now, and then I'm gonna go back to them and do a torque spec on all these bolts. The beautiful part about this brace is that it's not only functionable, but guys, this thing is meant for you guys to go ahead and torque everything the same way from factory, minus 10 pounds. Go ahead and just torque the rest of it to spec, but that looks much better than what we previously had on there. Alright guys, we are back with the M4 and we're still doing preparations for bimmer invasion. And as you guys can see now, we have the canards out here. They've already been installed and they look amazing. Right now, this is all you guys are gonna get. I'm not gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like until you guys come out to the event on Saturday. Or if not, then you guys will have to wait until the end of the video so I can show you guys what it looks like. But I got the radiator support. Now this is an amazing piece. I love it. Now again, I'm not gonna go ahead and pronounce the name of the company just because, you know, it would be very hard for me to pronounce that German word. But these guys are amazing. We'll go ahead and put the name of the company up here. And guys, this thing is amazing. I gotta go ahead and clean it up just a little bit more. A few fingerprints here and there, but now that we have a chance, and Nolan's actually joining me right now, we're gonna be working on this car, and we're gonna go ahead and do the single mid pipe on this beautiful G82, on this beautiful F82 M4. I almost called it a G80. But guys, we are gonna be doing the West Coast Euro single mid pipe.